Hello there. So today we will discuss the one more problem from a code shape Maylong challenge from the division 2. Its name is isolation centers. So this problem is not that much difficult. It is simple problem. So we will go through the problem and we will discuss how we can approach this problem and how we can solve this problem. So let's get started with this problem. So as we learned in this problem they are said that as a health expert, Vinay is keeping a close watch on the ongoing pandemic of coronavirus. We know coronavirus is spreading to the worldwide, so stay safe, stay healthy. He thought of a different situations where there are 26 types of virus, so he will know the 26 types of virus which is initially started from alphabet A to Z. Like suppose we have viruses from A to Z like Arona, Corona, Borona and Zorona something. This like a name from Aerona, Borona, Corona, Zorona. You are given a string, so we are getting a string from that person's, and then with a length n there are n people number through 1 to n. So there are also that whatever the length of a string, there are different types of people of that number. Suppose the string length is 20, so there are 20 number of people in that, and for each valid I, the ith person is infected by exactly one type of virus. So let's consider these strings. So let's consider this string as, so I have this string like stay home saves lives, which of the length is 20. It has a length of 20. So we are given 20 people there inside which is affected by exactly one virus. Suppose if a number 0th person is affected by a sorona, in like this suppose this end element E, so this person is affected by Erona. It is affected by Erona. So likewise every person's up is, so what we have to find, so in the problem they are given a q queries. In each query they are given an integer c denoting the number of available isolation centers. Each isolation center has infinite capacity, but at a time in a isolation center there can be no two persons of the same virus can live. So we have this stay home saves life. So if a person is infected by S and another person is also infected by S, so these two infected person cannot live in a single center, in a single center. They are not in a single center, they cannot live in a single center. So there is also pending queue with an infinite capacity and there are no restrictions on the people. Suppose if these people, this first people is inside a isolation center, so whatever this person is in the pending queue, so this person is in the pending queue. So we need to find, so initially the isolation centers and a pending queue are empty. Initially this is an empty. So each of n people should be placed in either in the pending queue or one of the isolation center. Since Vinay is busy finding a vaccine, he asks Swapnil to find a way to place the people in the pending queue and isolation centers such that the number of people in the pending queue is small as possible. So we need to find the size of a pending queue. Suppose we have 2s in this, and so let's consider one example from it. It's okay. So there are one test cases, so there are, the length of string is 20, so there are 20 people inside this, and the peoples are affected by this coronavirus, which is a staying home saves life. So initial we are given here and there are two queries. So first query given a one isolation center as it denoted by a C. which is equals to isolation center. So in this first we are getting a one isolation center. So at mean at a time, so only one person can live. If there are three, or suppose there are two 3s in this example, so there are 3s in this example, so we can have only one s inside isolation center and other two as in outside center. Okay, let me clear this screen. Okay, so so if we have so we will need to find the number of persons in a pending queue like this. In the pending queue there are first query, so in the first query there should be a two people with Erona. So how many in this how many in this string? So there are two string. Suppose we get this, oh wait a minute, give me a second. Suppose I have this string. Suppose I have this string, so I have only one isolation center at a scene at this time. So I have only one isolation center this time. So s, there are 3s in this. So number of pending persons are 2. I just adding the number of extra person. So there are only one t in this whole, so it will allocate the one isolation center. So there are two A's, so one is inside the isolation center and another is in the pending queue. After that we have only one Y, so it will not consider. There are two I's inside, so one is inside isolation and one is here. There is only one N, there is only one G, there is only H, there is only one O, M, E. So E we get a consider 3 E's, so 3 E's, so 2, 1 is inside it and 2 is outside it. So we get 3k. So that's it for it. And so 2 plus 2 4 and 5 6. So 6 will we get the answers. So we'll see in the explanation in the pending queue for the first query there should be two people with Erona, two with Sorona and one with Arona and one with Irona. So as there are 2 I, there are 2 A, there are 3 S, there are 3 E. That's why we are getting output at 6. So if there are 3 isolation centers, so 3 S is getting in the isolation center, 3 E is getting in the isolation center, 1 is in any isolation center. So we doesn't require any pending queue, or there is no person in the pending queue. Right, so we will see in this coding. So we define a long integer here. After that we take an input as test cases t. So we will allowing one while loop to go through the test t minus minus. Then we take n and q, number of query from a user input, and then we get a string as an input. Then we declare one array of 27 numbers. We declare array of 27 numbers with all our zeros, and then we apply one for loop here, and then inside that for loop I just apply array s of I. I just apply s of I. So whatever the strings element is minus one element, so it can appropriate that position, and 0 is replaced by 1. Suppose it is a 1. So the one is suppose that element is s and there are 3 s elements, so s value is get incremented on the position of s is by 3. After that I will apply one while loop. For that I will take query input, and after that I will just apply I is less than, if I is less than 26 till the array ends, and if this value of array of I is less than c, I will just add it into the counter variable. After that, if else is it is greater than c, I will add into the count variable, count plus c, that query number, and after the everything the end here I will just end whatever the string number is. I will minus the count, whatever the count I get. suppose I'm getting an account as a 20, so I add suppose 3s, so I will add a 3 into that 20 plus 3 is 23, like I'm getting output. So after this calculation I'm getting output as a 26 as a count. I'm getting a 26 and count, and I will just subtract from this whole, so I am getting output as a 6. So I am getting output as 6. So this will be code from me. You have another solution, let me know in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We will see in the next video. We will solve another problem in the next video. Till then, good day. Bye bye.